guys, we're ready to go to the airport back home. So I thought I might show you where we stay for the past. Here's the kitchen. We got a sink with this massive table. I'll show you the bathroom. Follow me. This is the sink with a big mirror behind it and some pool lights. Next, I'll show you the toilet. It's kind of basically, when you flush it, it makes a whirlpool when you flush it. And this is the shower. It's got a big rainfall thing and a little thing that you can use if you're washing your body. Next, I will show you the living room. And this is the living room with a flat screen TV, a sofa, with a bed that can come out. See? I really like to relax. These are the patio doors that lead out onto the patio. Look at this view. And now I'm going to show you the bedroom. There's lots of storage room, safe. 2 comfy beds. Next to each one of them, there's a plug socket and a hanging table. There's a patio door. And on the balcony, there's a table and some chairs. Perfect for a coffee. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that little bell. So every time a new video comes out, you get notified. Hope to see you again soon. Bye!